Not to mention, this is a method that you'll want to know in the future because it's very helpful when looking for things. So we got our direct image right there. Let's paste that in. Hit save. Hit run. And now we got this string. We're going to copy this. And then change this from null to here. Oop. I'm such a sloppy typer when it comes to coding. So there we go, we have that. We're also going to, let's create another public void. And we're going to call this pick Flax. Okay, why are we getting this? Oh, because we have two things here, and that's why. Okay. Now we're going to need to create a while loop. While the tabs inventory is full, and then we're going to place that there saying, so while your inventory is not full, we're going to do this. And we're going to sorry, forget this part too. Get image from string. I think that's it. A point. What is this? And then the next part we're going to need is what's the next part? Is actually find the thing. So there we go. So this here is image point, and we're going to use this. And we don't have a thing, so let's add in that rectangle real quick. So where's it? Rectangle game screen. That's not right. Oh, yes it is, huh? Okay. I forgot. It's 3 parts to it. 1, 2, 3. So you have your string, you have your buffered image, and then the other thing is you have your private point. So there we go. Copy that, and there we have it. So now we're going to click this, and to click this thing we're going to do, first we're going to hit sleep, and we're going to say 500 between 1,000 milliseconds, and then we're going to go ahead and type in the mouse dot click, and we're going to say Flax image point, the mouse dot left click. So that seems like a pretty easy thing. Actually, let's change that up one more step, because we want to click a random spot, not just that pixel. Right, so copy that and paste that there. Get rid of the CS. Get rid of that. And change this from Flax image. Whoops, it's Flax image point. Huh. There we have it. Get random point. As you see, I'm kind of retarded sometimes. Let's just paste that here. See what I'm doing wrong. Ah, okay. That's... I had it placed in the wrong spots. So let's get rid of this now. So now what it's going to do is it's going to search, and the reason why we place this within the while loop is so every time it executes, it's going to refresh the image points. If we placed it, say, right here, it's only going to read at one point one time as it's doing this while loop, and it's going to keep clicking that same spot, and we don't want that. So we want it to refresh. So now once it's got the image and we've slept, we're going to go ahead and pick it. We're going to do another sleep. And then we're going to make another public void We're going to call this, let's get rid of this. Walk to field. Walk to Flax. How about that? That'll be easier. And then we'll also make one called walk to bank. We're going to make a little log here. I'm going to say log clicking Flax. Banking. And now we got to create our walk to bank path. So let's go back to here and where is it? Save. So we'll just copy this. Copy, paste in, and let's get rid of this yes. And put all of that. Copy this. Paste this here. So now we're going to create the walk path of these points. So let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. And this is 2 Flax points. And then this is going to be 2 bank points. Bank. And then we'll call this one 2 Flax. So let's create our points. So let's go back into the game, hit play. Okay. But I'm not even logged in, except right here. And I just created this account. Okay.